So I got this new power bank from Vancaly model 20,000 mAh with DBS-P8-PW 74 watt hours, and it says it can charge 20 volt at 5 ampere and discharge also at 20 volt at 5 ampere. That is, yeah, almost 100 watts. So we will see what is the truth behind it. Inside there is small user manual. Now let's see what is in the English. It says, for faster and secure recharging your power bank, cable should be having a correct cable. And the same specifications are written again, and it says that, yeah, some attention is there. So with the transparent body, it's beautiful. So, and then it says the same thing again what was on the cover, with some display, and the default there is one button also to turn on and off, and 43% preloaded. So it is based on IP5389 and has one type C out and in, one USB A B, other way one lamp. So let's see if it can discharge itself to 100 watts. I have added this power bank which can accept 100 watt, which is already checked. Let's see. Okay, so okay, it doesn't work here. So let's see without the measurement. So it seems that the power button is very much fragile. Oh, nothing happens. So maybe I can use a different cable. Let's see. So I have connected it with the power station, and we can see currently it is taking 109 watts of output, and charging here it is at 19.4 volt at 5 ampere almost. Yeah, so this thing works. Here it also says 20 volts ampere, it is out of the range. Let's see if other way around also works. Oh, now it is charging. Other one at 20 volts at 3 ampere, so we know now that at least 60 watt works. And let's see if the parallel charging also works in fast charge mode. Doesn't seems to be the case. No. So let's see, I can put the and let's see, do it again. Okay, it resets itself, but it shifts to default one. So it seems that, and this is a common problem with all the high-speed chargers, they do not support high-speed charging parallelly. And let's see if it can also get somehow more than 60 watts. Let's switch to 20 volts. ampere. One point 3, 2 to 3. Okay, the laptop gets charged only at 2 ampere. Okay, so I can check only till 65 watts and that works. What about the lamp? Somehow, I don't know. Let me check the manual. Okay, so now let's see what is inside. So I just first unscrewed the lamp side, and there are 6 LEDs, and which also screwed again and connected via cables. So unscrewed, and it should come out easily. Doesn't seems to be. Oh, there are no screws. So I will just check out the side clips. Okay, so they have some glue, and it seems to be some no name 21700 21700 batteries. Must be some rebranded ones. And 4S configuration. Does it has any temperature sensor? I do not see any temperature sensor. Doesn't seem to be very reliable because it doesn't have any temperature sensor. And what brand is the battery? It is also unknown. So at least a temperature sensor is required, in my opinion, for unforeseen circumstances. But at least it is not 18650 batteries but 21700 batteries of a known brand. Yeah, sometimes they ask for 100 euros for this power bank, but I don't see that this is a correct price. For 35 euros I would say go for it, but not for 100 euros, which doesn't even have, or I can't see any temperature sensor here. Yeah, that's it for the review. If you need any other, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. And that's it for today. If you have liked the videos, like it, subscribe the channel, and if you have not liked, then you can also dislike it. Thanks for your support. Share it and like and subscribe again. Thank you.